This video is sponsored by Restream. Why live stream to one platform when you can simultaneously live stream to every platform to discover new audiences faster using Restream.io? You can update what game you're tagging across every platform you've connected to Restream.io all in one fell swoop or individually. I'm going to show you how to do it in this tutorial. It doesn't matter if they're toggled on like this or toggled on off like that. You can still change the game that you're tagging using the Update Titles tab right here at the top. Once you click the Update Titles tab, you have a couple options on how to update the game you're tagging. To globally change the game you're tagging across every single platform all at once, click this Gaming Content button right here. And then you can select the game from the Stream Game pull-down menu here. Now, please note, this pull-down menu has a limited selection of games, only the ones that were like common across all platforms. So it's going to be limited to like 100 of the most popular games streamed across all platforms. So let's say I was streaming Apex Legends. I'll just select that. And if your game is on this list, you can click Update All, and it will update it automatically across everything. Boom, just like that. It's pretty sick through the APIs of all these platforms. But let's say your game wasn't on there, or let's say that you wanted to individually update your game or category on Twitch or any other platform. You click the Edit button next to that platform. We'll use Twitch as an example. Click Edit, and as you can see, there's a category drop down here, but there's literally nothing on the list. How do you get, let's say, just chatting, which is not a game, but it's a category on Twitch, just using as an example? You can type it in, and then that will pop up below. It pulls it from the API, I believe, from these platforms, which is really cool. This is how you can do a deeper dive and select a game that is a bit more niche and not common across all platforms. Once you have selected your category here, your game, essentially, you click Update, and then it will update for that specific platform. Rinse and repeat for every individual platform you're restreaming to. I restream 4 to 5 days a week on my podcast. I very highly recommend it. There's no reason for you to go exclusive on any streaming platform unless they are paying you money to do it. Why are you giving up your exclusivity for free? Link in the description below to Restream. It is an affiliate link, and I've got a discount code down there for you, so you can grow as fast as possible by maximizing your audience growth by multi-streaming.